I'm David Gillam, I'm Director of WOW+World Film Festival. I set up the festival in order to bring the very best of world cinema to people around Wales. Films that you wouldn't otherwise have a chance to see, but which I thought people would be interested in.
Oh, it was a very lovely experience. I feel a lot better having seen it than I did walking in.
Really evocative, kind of colourful depiction of childhood in a different culture.
There was sort of the remnants of the war with bombs. There was the displacement of sort of because of the dam and the hydroelectricity. So it's like a world in change, but in the middle of it, the two kids do what kids do, and they play and have fun.
Well, all the actors were brilliant and it all came together at the end, but the children were just gorgeous.
I just think it's the most amazing film I've seen for a long time, and the child actors in it are just amazing. It's a brilliant storyline, and it makes you laugh and it makes you cry.
Over the years we brought the best world cinema that has won prizes at festivals all around the world, all across Wales. And we're hoping now with the WOW+Wales+Cinema+Project to bring those films year round, not just during the festival but throughout the year. And what we'd like is for you to join in the conversation about these films.